Howdy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because BTArtBox was kind enough to send me over a Christmas gift box, and I just want to unbox it with you guys. It's the holiday season and they just wanted to send me a special little gift, so special thanks to BTArtBox for this lovely surprise because yeah, it's just so nice. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna zoom out because it's kind of big, y'all. Look at this beautiful box that they sent me. I don't even know if I can get the whole thing in frame. Let me bring it up some. You guys see this? How gorgeous is this box? It has a whole handle. Like, oh my gosh. So here at the top, it says BTArtBox nails in gold lettering. And look at how beautiful this is. So it has all of this beautiful kind of like Christmas trimming. I believe these are poinsettias. I could be wrong, but beautiful, beautiful Christmas box. It says Merry Christmas. On this side, it says BTArtBox nails. Over here, okay, it has a little saying in here. It says, I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It says, add sparkle to your gift list with BTArtBox nails. Our Christmas gift box features premium BTArtBox nails and festive designs, offering a luxurious at-home manicure experience. Give the gift of salon quality nails that are easy to apply and long-lasting, perfect for spreading holiday cheer and style this season. I absolutely love that. So that's cute that they had that little saying there. And over here it just says BTArtBox again. So to get this open, I have to actually open this little flap, which is magnetic. I love that as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this little flap and set it on its side. And let's open it up and see what's inside, y'all. Okay, so yeah, I gotta open it up like this. Very cool. And it has these little drawers. Let me show you guys again. As you all can see, it has these little drawers. So I'm gonna just pull each one out. So it has 1, 2, and 3 drawers. That is so cool. I love the concept of this. It's actually funny because I normally keep there's like a little perfume gift box that I got a couple years ago, and it came with something like this that had a drawer. I keep my old press-on nails in there. Like if I'm doing a set, I keep a nail glue, some files and things like that. So this is cool. This could be an at-home way to store all of your like press-on nails. But let's start with the first drawer. Oh, you guys, it's the presentation for me. Okay, let me just turn this to the side so you guys can see what I'm seeing here. Okay. Look at this. You pull the drawer out and it has all of these cool items in here. Oh, I love this. So let's see. So the first one has here, it has the BTArtBox nail file, 180, 100 grit file. And how cute. They have like a little note in here. This is so cute. Season's greetings and may the miracle Christmas fill your heart with warmth and love. This is so cute. Oh, sent a little cute little note to me, which is nice.
Dear Rose, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Your incredible work has been such a gift to us this year. Deeply appreciate everything you've done and excited for more amazing projects in the future. Best regards, BTArtBox.
Oh, thank you so much, darling. It has been an absolute pleasure working with you all. I've been working with Yoi, I think, from the very beginning with BTArtBox, and I've just absolutely loved the company, what they stand for, and just how they treat their influencers as well. They're very genuine, and so yeah, thank you so much. I have nothing but great things to say about BTArtBox. Good products, good staff, good company overall. So yeah, thank you so much. So let's see what else is in this box. So we got our X-Coat Tips selection here. So it has the gel glue, which I recently just did a video on how to apply their press-ons with the gel glue. I'll leave that link down in the description box below. But yeah, you got the gel glue that comes in it, and this stuff works really good. You have the builder gel. So this is what you'll use to put on top of the press-on nails after they've been applied to give it strength. And then you have the top coat, and then that's what you'll use to seal everything in. So this little combination is very, very good. And then you also have the UV nail lamp, which is like the little flash cure lamp. And I have a few of these out already. So yeah, this is their little single finger flash cure lamp. So that's what you do before you do the full cure for your press-ons. So this is a really cool little box here. Love that. So that's only the first drawer, you guys. So let's hop into the second drawer. Drawer number 2. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's cool. You get 4 of their press-on nail sets. This is absolutely gorgeous. So these are the designs that they have. This is like a red cat eye. That is so beautiful. And again, I've done some really extensive reviews on their website with how to apply their press-on nails using different methods. I'll leave a couple pictures here of a few of the ones that I've done in the past, but I love the almond shape and I'm really excited to have these. These do come with 30 pieces. And yeah, I absolutely love their press-on nails. So yeah, like I said, I've done plenty of reviews, plenty of wear tests. And then I also have a dedicated playlist to all things BTArtBox. So if you guys are curious about how their products are and how they work, I would highly recommend it. When I say high quality stuff, it's just superb. So that's cute. Oh, and then we got some cherries. Oh, these are cute. I love to see that they're getting creative with their designs. Absolutely love it. And then we have some that have looks like they're short square French tip and they have cute little hearts on them. They're so pretty. And then we have these cute short French tips that have like the 4-point stars on them. How cute, you guys. I'm gonna open one of them up and just see what it looks like against my nails. Ooh, I can't decide which one I want. I'm gonna do one almond one and one square. So I'm gonna actually do this square because it's so cute. And I'm gonna open it up real quick to show you guys what it's looking like. All of their press-on nail sets do come with the buffer, the cuticle stick, adhesive tabs and such. Let's see. Oh, nice. They started putting them in a little baggie. So I'm just gonna open up this. See if I can find my size. Yeah, I just absolutely love the quality of their press-on nails. They're very strong and sturdy. Oh, how cute. Look at that. That is so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. Nice fit, fits sidewall to sidewall. That is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I was just saying I wanted to do some French tips. So that is very cute. And I've also done a wear test with their nail glue. Their nail glue is superb as well. It does last at least minimum 2 weeks. And like I said, it comes with adhesive tabs. And their adhesive tabs are numbered, so just correspond the number with the press-on nail. And that's awesome. Love it, okay? And I'm gonna try these cute little cherry ones. These are so cute. Oh, you guys, these are so cute. So I love that, like, the cherries are just like a little bit raised. Look at that. How cute is this? Yeah, that's adorable. I love that too, and it's a perfect fit. That's so cute. I love it. Yeah, y'all. Okay, so that is that. Very cool. So again, you get 4 press-on nail sets. I absolutely love that. So then you slide that drawer back in. And then last but not least, oh, we got more press-ons. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are their X-coat tips. And these are the, okay. So that's what I'll say. So these are the type of nails that you would normally want to apply with just regular nail glue and the adhesive tabs, because some of these are opaque like these nails here. And you'll want to make sure that the light can penetrate through. And then these ones, they're X-coat tips with the French tips. These are the ones where you have a little bit more flexibility in being able to use it with the gel, which is why they have these instructions in this slot here. They're saying these are specifically made for that gel. So yeah, awesome. Okay, so let's do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and move this over to the side as well. But I absolutely love this. Again, it closes like this and snaps at the end. Love it. So this is the last drawer here. So we got these two sets here. Okay, so these are the two X-Coat tips kits that they sent me. So they got this one here. Okay, so the first one here are these beautiful like mocha colored French tips. They're like different types of nudes and browns. Very beautiful. Super cute. I absolutely, like I said, I love BTArtBox nails. And this one's already popped off. This is what these look like. Super adorable. Very strong, durable. Look at that. Look how cute, y'all. I'm ready to do my nails. I intentionally didn't do my nails because I wanted to use one of the sets from this kit, and I can't even decide which one because I love them all. But this here is like a deeper nude that came with it, a lighter nude. You get this kind of like peachy nude, another brown, just slightly lighter than the first one, and then this beautiful pink nude color. So yeah, I mean, these are just absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, the fit is perfect. It's sidewall to sidewall. I love the BTArtBox personal nails. If you guys have not tried them, you're missing out. Like, they're really, really good. So that is the first one they included. Okay. Let's do like this. And put this right here. Oh, it's not. Oh, we got the red in here. Oh my gosh. These are their fall colors. Oh, wow. I am loving this. So it comes with this beautiful deep kind of burnt orange color. It comes with a beautiful chocolate brown. It comes with a beautiful kind of like burgundy red. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Then it comes with this beautiful like kind of orangey red color. And then it comes with this beautiful fire red French tip. This is actually what I was really I'm in the mood for some red French tip nails. So I'm so happy that they included these in there. Look how beautiful that color and design is. They fit so good. They're strong. They're sturdy. I'm so excited, y'all. I love having their press-on nails in all these different colors. Like, this is just perfect for the fall time. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, y'all, these nails are absolutely beautiful. I have tons and tons of reviews on my channel, again, using their French tip nails, showing how to apply them. So yeah, I've applied these with everything from acrylic to builder gel to nail glue to peel off base, and of course using the BTArtBox solid nail glue as well as their gel glue. So these items, they work, they're good, highly recommend. So yeah, y'all, that's everything that they sent me. So yeah, you guys, this is everything that BTArtBox sent me over in their lovely and very generous Christmas gift box. I do want to give another special shout out to them. That was very nice of them to send these over. And I do also have a discount code with BTArtBox, so I'm going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. Again, if you guys haven't shopped their products, highly recommend them. Y'all know on this channel, BTArtBox is tried and true for me, okay? I do also have a dedicated playlist for all things BTArtBox, and I also have a dedicated playlist for how to apply press-on nails using different mediums and application methods. I'll leave both of those playlists linked down in the description box below in case you guys are interested on how to apply all these beautiful products. I hope you all are enjoying this holiday season, and I just wanted to let you all know, starting this Saturday, I am going to be launching my 12 Days of Swatchmas series, and it's just going to be me swatching out all of my gel polishes and acrylics and all of the items I have here in my nail room. So be tuned for the next 12 days starting this Saturday. I'm going to be doing an upload every day, and it's going to be swatch videos of me swatching out all of the amazing products that I have here in my nail room. So stay tuned for that 12 Days of Swatchmas series. So yeah, and I hope you all enjoy that series. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!